हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं रमन यादव, आपका अपना चैनल रमन क्लासेस में आप तमाम बच्चों का हार्दिक स्वागत। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं एक लाजवाब वीडियो फॉर क्लास 10th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट, CBSE, सब्जेक्ट केमिस्ट्री, चैप्टर्स नेम acid, bases and salts. Before explanation of anything else about this chapter, first of all I would like to give message to the students. Hard work brings success in life. This is really the mystery of success. First of all I would like to request to all students, please maintain the continuity up to the end of this video without skipping it. Surely hope that you will get much confidence in this chapter. You will also get the mastery in this chapter. तो आइए तो देखते हैं कि what are the basic concept about acid, bases and salts. Really, there are three types of substances in nature. These substances are scattered in the natural surrounding in the dispersed phase. These substances also have the different features. Some substances are sour in taste, but some substances are bitter in taste. Some substances are neutral in nature. On the basis of the nature and behavior, substance can be classified into three categories: acid, bases and salts. First of all, children, try to understand what do you mean by acids. Acids are those substances which is sour in taste, जो स्वाद में खट्टा हो, changes blue litmus to red, blue litmus को रेड कर देता हो, gives hydrogen ion on dissolving water, वाटर में डिजॉल्व होने पर हाइड्रोजन आयन देता हो. These are the most traditional concept of acid. There are different examples such as sulfuric acid. Formula is H2SO4. This is also called as king of chemicals. Another, nitric acid. Chemical formula is HNO3. Carbonic acid. Chemical formula is H2CO3. Phosphoric acid. Chemical formula H3PO4. Oxalic acid. Chemical formula is COOH, single bond COOH. But there are some natural acids available in nature in the different variety of substances, such as tea. Tea contains tannic acid. Grapes contains citric acid. Citric acid. Citric acid. Fat contains fatty acid. Oil contains oleic acid. Red ant, what kind of acid? Formic acid. Chemical formula is HCOOH. Its another name is मिथेनोइक एसिड. इसका दूसरा नाम मिथेनोइक एसिड होता है. विनेगर, it also contains acetic acid. Chemical formula is CH3COOH. Its another name ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. You have just got the information about acid. आइए तो देखें next topic. Few minutes back I have just explained about acids with various examples. Now I am going to explain about bases. First of all, Try to understand what you mean by bases. Bases are those substances which are bitter in taste. Bitter माने कड़वा होता है, जो स्वाद में कड़वा हो. चेंजेज रेड लिटमस टू ब्लू, रेड लिटमस को ब्लू कर देता हो. गिव्स हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन ऑन डिजॉल्विंग इन वाटर, वाटर में डिजॉल्व होने पर OH माइनस आयन देता हो. दीज आर बेसिस. आई एम ऑल्सो गिविंग NaOH on dissolving in water. It gives Na plus ion और OH minus ion, हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन दिया था. We can also take another example. एक और देखिए, KOH पोटासियम हाइड्रोक्साइड on dissolving in water. This gives K plus or OH minus. In both cases we have got the information कि bases always give hydroxide ion. There are different examples. Caustic soda, really this is the common name. This is common name. Common name है caustic soda. Chemical formula is NaOH. But chemical name, what will happen? This is sodium, OH means hydroxide, तो sodium hydroxide. Another caustic potash, chemical formula is KOH. Chemical name potassium hydroxide. OH को हाइड्रोक्साइड कहते हैं और K को पोटासियम कहते हैं, तो नाम हो गया पोटासियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. केमिकल नेम मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नेशिया, MgOH2, मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नेशिया. स्लैग्ड लाइम, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, CaOH2. Ca मीन्स कैल्शियम और हाइड्रोक्साइड OH हो गया. कैल्शियम की वैलेंसी 2 होती है जो इस पर आ गया, और हाइड्रोक्साइड की वैलेंसी 1 होती है जो कैल्शियम पर आ गया. 1 इज अंडरस्टूड. सो दिस इज द केमिकल फार्मूला CaOH2. That will be the formula of slagged lime. With the help of various examples, children, we come to know hydroxide OH lies in all metallic hydroxide which dissolve in water and give OH minus ion. After dissolving they are called as bases. इसको बेस कहते हैं. तो that's why in note I have written metal oxide as well as metal hydroxide. These are basic in nature. As for example, CaO. What kind of nature of this substance is? This substance is basic. अब क्यों बेसिक है जरा सुनिए. कैल्शियम मेटल है और ऑक्सीजन जिसको ऑक्साइड कहते हैं, तो मेटल ऑक्साइड, दैट इज बेसिक इन नेचर. फर्दर CaOH2, कैल्शियम, दिस इज मेटल और दिस इज हाइड्रोक्साइड, तो मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड इज कॉल्ड बेस. सिमिलरली नॉन मेटलिक ऑक्साइड, दिस इज एसिडिक इन नेचर. नॉन मेटलिक ऑक्साइड इज एसिडिक, whereas metal oxides are basic in nature. Carbon dioxide, what is acidic or basic? Apply your brain, students. Carbon dioxide, carbon is non-metal, oxygen तो non-metal का oxide, तो non-metal oxide is acidic in nature. Sulfur dioxide, acidic in nature. Phosphorus pentaoxide, P2O5, phosphorus non-metal और oxygen oxide, तो non-metal oxide, this is also acidic in nature. Children, you have just got the information about acids, bases, just as the elementary idea. तो आइए तो देखें about salt. What are salts? Those substances which is neither acidic nor basic. ऐसा सब्सटेंस जो न एसिड हो न बेस हो. Having the pH value 7 and around it, that will be acidic, that will be salts. As for example, sodium chloride, chemical formula NaCl, potassium bromide, KBr, sodium iodide तो KNaI, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट CaCO3 कार्बोनेट CaCO3. What is the best identification of salts? Let us understand here. If the chemical formula of a compound contains chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, सल्फेट, इसका नाम सल्फेट है, दिस इज कार्बोनेट, दिस इज फॉस्फेट और दिस इज नाइट्रेट. This type of group, if the compound contains, that will be salt. तो इन दिस वे बच्चों, आपने अभी सीखा कि साल्ट्स क्या है एंड व्हाट इज द बेस्ट आइडेंटिफिकेशन फॉर आइडेंटिफाइंग साल्ट्स. देखते हैं अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ एसिड्स. एसिड कैन ऑल्सो बी क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू कैटेगरीज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर सोर्स. सोर्स के आधार पर इसको दो टाइप से बांटा गया है, ऑर्गेनिक एसिड और मिनरल एसिड. ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स, दिस एसिड्स आर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. यह एसिड हमें प्लांट और एनिमल से मिलता है. एज फॉर एग्जांपल फैटी एसिड फाउंड इन फैट, लैक्टिक एसिड फाउंड इन कर्ड, साइट्रिक एसिड found in citrus fruit. These acids, what kind of acids these are? These are organic acids, and such type of acids which can be made in the laboratory or factory, जिसे हम लेबोरेटरी और फैक्ट्री में बनाते हैं, तो they are called as mineral acids. As for example, H2SO4, this is sulfuric acid. HNO3, that is nitric acid. H2CO3, this is called as carbonic acid. यह कार्बोनिक एसिड है. It belongs to mineral acids. All mineral acids are strong acid, but this carbonic acid is exception. यह exception है, which does not follow the rule. That is the weak acid. कौन सा एसिड है? वीक एसिड है. That's why I have written in note, all organic acids are weak acids, all mineral acids are a strong acid. Only carbonic acid, this is the weak acid. This is one criteria for classification of acid. Now, on the basis of reactivity, we also classify acids into two categories. One is the strong acid or another is weak acid. Strong acids, those acids which give hydrogen ion in large number, these are called as strong acids. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, what kind of acid these are? So these are strong acid. All mineral acids are strong acid except carbonic acid. HCl, after dissolving in water, it gives a large number of hydrogen ion. Similarly, nitric acid, it also gives a hydrogen ion after dissolving in water. Here the number of hydrogen ion is also excess after dissolving in water. These are the examples of a strong acid. Further, I would like to discuss about weak acids. Weak acids are those which give hydrogen ion in less number. Weak acid वह एसिड है जो वाटर में डिजॉल्व होने पर नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयन बहुत बहुत कम देता है. Such as sulfuric acid. This is formic acid. Formic acid when dissolved in water gives H plus ion and HCOO minus ion. बच्चों, क्या आप जानते हैं कि HCOO को क्या कहते हैं? This is called as formate, FORMATE, formate ion. Similarly, acetic acid, this also gives H plus ion and CH3COO minus ion. This is called as acetate ion. Acetate ion. In this way, you have got the another way for the classification of acid. आइए तो देखें another way for the classification of acids. Acid can be classified into two categories. One is concentrated or another is diluted. How we have classified it? We have classified it on the basis of purity. Purity के आधार पर हमने क्लासिफाई किया एसिड्स को दो कैटेगरी में, एक कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड और दूसरा डाइल्यूटेड. कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड, द सॉल्यूशन which contains much acid than that of water. Which contains much acid than that of water. This is concentrated. This is pure acid. But another diluted, the solution which contains much water than that of acid. ऐसा सॉल्यूशन जिसमें वाटर का अमाउंट अधिक हो और एसिड का अमाउंट बहुत बहुत कम हो, तो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज डाइल्यूटेड एसिड. इट इज ऑब्वियसली क्लियर, कंसंट्रेटेड एसिड विल बी हाईली रिएक्टिव. यह हाईली रिएक्टिव होता है, हाईली रिएक्टिव. और डाइल्यूटेड, this will be less reactive. So in this way, children, you have got various ideas related with acid, bases and salts, just as the intro. And in the next video, I will explain about the chemical properties of acids and bases in detail. बच्चों, आज का यह वीडियो यदि आपके लिए प्रेरणादायक हो, बेनिफिशियल हो, तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब रमन क्लासेस. Also like several videos. Also share to your friends. तब तक के लिए लेते हैं विदा. धन्यवाद.